So I put a set of locking pliers on here to hold this mounting bolt for the strap, the gas tank strap, from moving, and then I'm going to try to break this nut free. So this has two nuts on it. One's going to hold this heat shield, and that heat shield's really important. It stops the exhaust that's going to get really hot from heating up the gas tank. So try not to destroy that. If so, I'm going to have to try to makeshift some way to remount it. Now I'm just going to lower this, back this nut off as far as I need to, and then I'll take the shield down. And now I'm going to see if I can loosen this nut up. If I can loosen this up, then I can just put enough pressure to take it out of the hook, out of the mounting hole, and I'll take the strap down. Once I feel like I've backed the nut off and got enough slack in the strapping for the gas tank, I'm going to lift this up. Pull that out. I just got it lowered down a little bit easier so it's easy to reach at. But you have to take the bottom nut out in order for the shield to come completely off. Nice. So now I can remove the shield from this mounting bolt. And then I can take the gas tank strapping all the way down. So to remove the strapping from the backing frame, you're going to turn it at an angle and it'll come right out. Now we have to save the rubber protection from the metal. We're going to reuse this. Just peel it off and discard the old strap. Now we're going to install the new gas tank strap. Pretty much reverse procedure, so I'm going to bring it up in there at an angle, fish it in. I'm going to pre-start the mounting hook. Just a couple of turns. That way it's a lot easier to manipulate this up into the frame. See, effortless. I'm going to start it with a socket. Can only go so far. Now I can take over with the ratchet wrench. So I'm going to tighten this up until I start to feel the strap actually pulling on the gas tank. You can actually, you'll hear it put strain on the bolt. And that's good. Now I'm just going to put the shield back up in. There we go. And then I'm going to reuse one of the old nuts, and I'm going to just bottom it right out and tuck that shield up tight to prevent it from any future heating up that plastic gas can.